Important stuff to keep in mind. Thanks so much, Chance. And during this ABC 17 Weather Alert Day, we've been keeping a close eye on roads in mid-Missouri, just like we saw with Chance.
And ABC 17's Hannah Falcon joins us live in Columbia with a look at those roads from her perspective. Hannah, what's the biggest problem that you are seeing out there?
Lucas, Megan, I'm here in front of I-70, and there's not a lot of problems on this road, at least in the part going through Columbia. It's pretty clear, and I've seen some MoDOT trucks coming through here, either pushing snow off or treating this road. And the same goes for most of the major roads here in Columbia. Where we're seeing the problems, though, is on those side roads. There's been at least 5 car crashes reported today in Columbia, according to Boone County Joint Communications. The last of those crashes was reported just a half hour ago, and all of them happen on those side roads where crews might not be getting there as fast or as often to treat the roads. The main problem, though, that troopers are responding to on the highways here in mid-Missouri are people sliding off the roads and getting stuck in the snow in their cars. I asked I-70 Towing what their advice is for people who get stuck in their cars.
Make sure you're in a safe spot. If your car is still able to run, I would just leave it running, crack a window if you need to. But call somebody that can come help you, either a local tow company or if you have a friend that can come get you. If your vehicle's off the road, you don't necessarily have to take care of it right away, but you're going to want to get steps in order to get it taken care of by somebody.
Okay, Lucas and Megan, I moved over to my car here to show you what the Missouri State Emergency Management Agency says that you should do if you get stranded in your car in the snow. The first thing, of course, is to get out your phone and to call someone. You call 911, call a towing company like I-70 Towing, or call a friend who's close by and might be able to come help you get unstuck. The next thing you want to do is you want to get a brightly colored cloth. This is a safety vest that we have in our cars. You want to tie that to the antenna of your car so that people can see your car. It makes it very visible and they know somebody's in there. Then you probably want to be in your car and you want to keep it running, but you want to avoid getting carbon monoxide poisoning. So you'll want to run it for about 10 minutes every hour with a window cracked a little bit. So you can still get that heat running. You can have that heat on your body, but you're still having an airflow going. You also want to make sure that your tailpipe is not covered up by snow, because that can let that carbon monoxide come inside your car. You want to stay in the car, but you want to stay warm. So I have this blanket here. You want to keep a blanket or extra clothes in your car. It keeps you warm while you're in the car, especially during those times where you have to turn the car off. But the SEMA does say that the safest place that you can be if you're stranded is in your car, so you do want to stay in that car if possible. Reporting live in Columbia, I'm Hannah Falcon, ABC 17 News.
Hannah, thank you for walking us through it. Never too late to have all of those things on hand. Yesterday, troopers say they responded to more than 400 calls, and about half of those were people stranded in their cars.